If you shift from unwillingness to willingness, from inertia to effervescence, your life will be joyful and effortless. The pain of life is just that we divide life between what we like and do not like, and inevitably, what we like we will do willingly. Whatever we perceive as we do not like, we do it unwillingly. When you do something unwillingly, that becomes your hell. When you do something else or the same thing willingly, it becomes your heaven. This is the opportunity you have. Either you are a 100% yes to life, or a yes, no, and struggle through the process of life. What life throws at you is not your choice. What you choose to do with it, that is where your choice is. Choice is not about choosing to have a specific or a particular situation. Choice is about keeping the choice and ability to respond to any given situation by choice, the way you want, consciously. So, willingness is heaven, unwillingness is hell. It's your choice.